Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day so far today. Today here it is raining and it's cloudy and it's kind of cold. You might actually be able to hear the rain on my roof. I don't know. If you can and it's annoying, I'm sorry, I apologize. But yeah, it's just one of those days where I just want to literally do nothing, which is usually me every day, but more so today than usual. Today's video, we are having a giveaway. I know you saw the title and the thumbnail of this video. There are also some other things I wanted to talk to you guys about, but we're going to get into all that in just 1 second. First, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for liking and commenting and sharing my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to click the bell icon when you do. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos like this one. There are links in the description below. You can follow me on Facebook. You can join my private Facebook group. You can follow me on Instagram, or you can check out the merch store. Again, those links will be found in the description below this video. Okay, today's video. Let's get back to that. It's a giveaway video, but you don't know what I'm giving away yet. But I will tell you, I'm giving away one of these hoodies. Now I know it's nothing great or spectacular, but it's a nice warm hoodie that will keep you warm this winter and fall. And it says stitches and rows. So, I mean, it's good for if you knit or if you crochet, because we all deal with stitches and rows. So it's a nice warm hoodie. I think the sizes range all the way up to a size 5XL. So it's a nice broad size range. And it's very warm, it's very soft, and I really, really like it. So that's what I'm giving away today. Today is Monday, September 17th, 2018, and I will choose a winner next Monday. And I don't know the date, or I would tell you. But 1 week from today, I will announce the winner, and you could get a nice, warm Stitches and Rows hoodie. And all you have to do to enter is very simple. Leave a comment down below. It doesn't matter what you comment. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you'll be entered for this giveaway. Now there are some other things I want to talk to you guys about, and that is I had this really good idea about a Christmas giveaway. Now the problem with this really good idea is it's going to take a lot of money to fund this giveaway, but I'm super excited to do it. I really hope I'm able to do it. I would give you more details, but if I'm not able to do it, I would feel really bad. So I'm just going to tell you that it's a really good idea, and I really want to do it. It's just going to take a lot of money, which I don't have. But if you want to help, now I will never ask for direct donations of any sorts, of any kind, ever on my channel, because it doesn't feel right just to ask, give me money. That doesn't seem right, so I can't do it. But I will say, if you would like to help fund my Christmas giveaway for you guys, there'll be 2. If it all works out, there'll be 1 for knitters and 1 for crocheters. So if it all works out, there'll be 2. And if you want to help fund this, there's some things you can do, and it's not just give me money, I promise. As some of you may know, I am an affiliate with Knit Crate, which means every time someone signs up with Knit Crate through my personal link that I leave in the description below, I get a small kickback from that. So if you want to help fund this Christmas giveaway, you could order a Knit Crate for just 1 month. You could cancel next month. That will help. You could go to my Ravelry store and purchase the hat pattern that I have on there. I get some money, like a very small kickback from that as well. And my merch store. That's probably where I make the most, and that is, if you want to go there, we have coffee cups, we have stickers, t-shirts, and hoodies. You could purchase anything, and I will get a percentage of that as well, and all that can go towards funding this Christmas giveaway. I even hate making this video because it sounds like I'm begging for you guys to buy stuff, and I never want to come off like that, but I'm just saying that in order for me to make this Christmas giveaway work, and I know Christmas is a far away, but it's going to take that much time to plan, to organize, and to fund it. I really want to make it happen. So even if, you know, no one buys Knit Crate or purchases my Ravelry pattern or purchases anything off the merch store, I'm still going to work really hard to try to make this giveaway happen because I'm super excited about it, and I think you guys are really gonna love it, and it's gonna be really fun. So now that I got that out of the way, it's just something I've been thinking about, and I've been super excited about it. Last night I could barely sleep because I'm planning all this in my head, like how I want it to work out, what I want to do, and I just hope and pray that I can make that happen for you guys, because I love you guys and I want to be able to give you guys something nice for Christmas. And I know I have a lot of people who knit, exclusively knit here on this channel, and people who just crochet, so I want to do both. I want to do a knit giveaway and a crochet giveaway. So if you're interested in helping me make that happen, you can always purchase a knit crate for 1 month, and again, that link will be in the description below as well. You could purchase my hat pattern off Ravelry. That link will be in the description as well as also, and you could go to the merch store and pick out something small, anything. Doesn't matter if you want to help. All those links will be in the description below. Alright, now that that hard part is over, some nice fun things I want to talk to you guys about. Last week I made a video on my yarn haul from Lion Brand, and I told you I was going to be making an ugly cardigan. Well, I started my ugly cardigan yesterday, and this is how far I've gotten. You guys ready? Can you see? This is the back panel. Remember I said it's like the pattern I'm going off of, it's all in pieces and you all have to seam it together. So this so far is what I have of the back pattern, and I'm making it bigger than what I actually need it to be just because I want a big, sloppy, ugly cardigan. So this is the back pattern so far. This is what the colors look like. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Again, I've already named it the ugly cardigan, so it doesn't matter. I think I'm even gonna try to put like patches on it, like so like big, uneven patches all over it to make it look even more ugly. I don't know. It's just an idea I had. But yeah, that's what I have so far going on with my ugly cardigan. And one more thing I was kind of excited about, and I want to actually start right now, but I want to finish my cardigan, is a few months ago I got this colorway in my knit crate, and it's just a worsted weight superwash 100% merino wool, and I'm thinking I want to make socks with it, but I want to do like an afterthought heel, goodness, and I want to try doing a chimney toe. And if you guys don't know what that is, I really don't know what that is either. I saw a few videos on it, and it's like actually where you do a top down sock instead of toe up. You do top down or cuff down, and at the end, after your decreases, you keep going round and round and round, and then you do like a chimney toe. If I can master it, I'll share with you guys how to do it, but I don't know. I've only done one afterthought heel, and it worked out pretty good, so I thought I would try a cuff down sock using this nice warm merino wool, and try the afterthought heel and a chimney toe. So those are my plans for this yarn. That's what I got going on today, you guys. Don't forget about the giveaway. If you're interested in entering to win this night, not this particular sweat, I'll get you a brand new one, I promise. It says Stitches and Rose hoodie. It's nice and warm. It's fun to just slop around the house with, or just, you know, put it on, cover up what you're wearing, you know, just a nice little sweatshirt hoodie to keep you warm. If you're interested, remember, all you have to do is leave a comment in the description below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and you'll be entered to win a sweatshirt like this, Stitches and Rose. Very simple, nothing fancy. If you're interested in helping fund my Christmas giveaway, which I'm so excited about, and I'm gonna make happen one way or another, but if you're interested in that, again, you could always check out Ravelry, you could check out Knit Crate, or you could check out the merch store if you want to purchase something to try to help me fund my Christmas giveaway for you guys. Remember, I want to do two, one for knitting, one for knitters, one for crocheters. So that's what I got going on today, you guys. Just a bunch of nothing. The rain is actually getting harder, and I'm going to get this video out so you guys can start entering to win your very own Stitches and Rose hoodie. So that's my video. I hope you guys liked it, and that's it. So until next time, guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.